Yes, the shopping cart trick does work on the iPhone. I was able to get it to work personally on my iPhone, and I tried the Victoria's Secret credit card. The Victoria's Secret credit card is the easiest one that you guys can try. So I was able to actually get that pop up using my iPhone, trying to get that Victoria's Secret credit card. Now, is like I said too, it's multiple credit cards. You guys can get the Venus, Express, Children's Place. You guys can be able to get the Victoria's Secrets, but I don't know if is going to always work with these different credit cards. I was able to only get that pop up using Victoria's Secrets, but I actually didn't try other. I didn't actually try, the other credit card companies. I didn't try the Express. I didn't try the Children's Place. So you guys may be able to work, but I just want you guys just to test it out. Try to see if you can get the pop up with Victoria's Secrets, and understand too that you can still go into incognito mode on your phone. And I think I was able to get it to work without even doing incognito mode, but you're still able to do the incognito mode, which is a very important step when you guys are trying to get